I've been taking advantage of my workplace's free breakfast by arriving early. The truth is, I'm not being responsible. I'm just tired and trying to save money. After eating, I sleep in my car until it's time to start work. My supervisors think I'm dedicated because I always arrive early, but in reality, I'm just using the system to mock. Benefit? I get to eat for free and catch a few extra winks before my shift begins. It's not the most conventional approach, but it works for me. I'm able to rest and fuel up for the day ahead, all while maintaining a positive image with my supervisors.